Whitney and I are learning that one of the most expensive items that you can buy for your house is a bathroom vanity.
So we've been shopping for our new office for the bathroom up here, and we decided we are not gonna drop that kind of coin. We're gonna design our own, and it's gonna be cuter, and it's gonna cost a heck of a lot less.
And we're gonna call it the DIY Farmhouse Bathroom Vanity.
And we're gonna build it right now. The first step to build this vanity is building our sides, and this is 3/4 inch plywood. We've added 3/4 inch pocket holes on the inside all the way around both sides.
These are spacers that are also going to be the trim pieces, and we're going to put them underneath because these are going to be on the outward facing sides of the vanity.
I love spacers. We are attaching those to the leg bases using 1.5 inch pocket hole screws and wood glue. Did you say my drill? Where did my drill go?
Oh, there's one up there. Oh, that might have been mine. I not
she
only stole
takes my stuff.
Whitney's drill, I put my drill up there and then stole hers. So this vanity it's one sink and it's 49 inches wide, the whole vanity. And you can find a countertop to go with that. If you want to go wider, you can customize this however you want. And if you're not comfortable with the pipes and the plumbing and attaching the sink, you can hire a plumber to come and install that countertop for you and get the pipe work done on your sink.
That's what I would do. I'm a DIYer, but I will not put a sink in.
We've got the side panels done, minus. That's funny. So now we're gonna put that trim piece at the top and the bottom of this plywood, and it's just gonna give it a nice finished look.
I'm gonna grab the nailer before she steals it.
We're gonna attach it with 1.25 inch brad nails and wood glue.
Look who's ahead now.
Bragger.
I am that.
Side panels are done. Now it's time to attach them with the front and the back apron pieces.
Yes.
Let me go get those.
See, this is Ashley's design, so I'm actually learning as you guys do. I'm learning a lot.
The back aprons are 1x4s, and we've drilled 3/4 inch pocket holes into the back. And then the front aprons are 2x4s that we've also ripped the edges down and made them 3 inches wide.
So I'm going to attach the back aprons, Ashley's gonna attach the front, add a line of wood glue, and then I will attach using my pocket hole screws. You know, Ash, this would also make a really cute piece of furniture, maybe for somebody that's not necessarily looking for a bathroom vanity.
Yeah. I was thinking if you don't want a bathroom vanity, this is still a really cute console.
Yeah, like make a cute coffee bar.
Yeah, and you can put shelves on the inside of it. We're actually not putting shelves on the inside of this because the sinks always come down at a different angle. But if you want to make it a console, you can just get a project panel or make a plank top, and you got yourself a console.
So at this point, we're gonna stand these two up and we're going to attach them. We're each gonna attach the opposite side. So I will attach the backs and she'll attach the fronts.
We're gonna bring them together and make a vanity baby.
That was very corny. Okay.
Okay, we've got the front aprons, we've got the back aprons, and now we're going to add the bottom supports in. These are 2x4s that we've ripped to 3 inches wide. The front side of the support pieces have 1.5 inch pocket holes drilled in them. The back has 3/4 inch pocket holes drilled in them. Make sure you don't get it backwards. We're attaching them with wood glue and pocket holes. Okay, supports are in. Now we can slide the bottom in.
Awesome. Now we're gonna lay in the center board, and this is gonna be our bottom shelf. It just falls right into place. And that's why we put these support boards down 3/4 inch, because now you can see that this is totally flush, our shelf down at the bottom.
Time for the frame supports. We've drilled 3/4 inch pocket holes into these 1x2s, and we're gonna place them in the center of each of the aprons and attach them with 1.25 inch pocket hole screws and wood glue. We've got the entire cabinet done, and now we can do the doors. All right, we've got one door done, and now we're going to do the second one. And I've already cut my pieces to size. These are just craft boards that I got at Home Depot. I will link these in the description box below. The top and bottom are flush with the whole door, and then the vertical pieces are gonna go right in between. To attach these, we're going to use 3/4 inch staples and our 18 gauge stapler. Whitney's going from the back in so that we don't have to fill all those staple holes.
We're always about saving time. So we have the doors done. Now let's just show you guys. Y'all can see, but it's basically the base of a piece of furniture, a really beautiful piece of furniture. How much do you think you spent on this?
The top was about $179, and then lumber was under $100. So we're under $300 for this table.
And it's not a small one. What did you say, 47 inches?
It's 49 inches, and you can actually get a 2-sink 49 inch if you need a 2-sink. I love the exposed hardware that we gave to it. It really makes it look unique, and it's so beautiful with that really clean white top.
I know, and I love the gray paint with the lines that you've done on the doors. So cute. And the toilet paper holder. I love that too.
The best part.
I think this bathroom looks thousands of dollars more expensive, and we only spent like $400. That's pretty impressive. All right, Ash, it's just like we said. We built it cheap, we built it fast, and we built it shanty.
You guys don't forget to subscribe below. All right, and the legs are gonna face this way. So we don't do that. Side panels are done. Now it's time to attach.
Say that again, I was yawning.
See, and I was going, see. All right, okay.
Excuse me.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel below. I messed up, sorry, I said below.
All right, here we go, do it again.
All right.
That was really good.
Well, you know us, one-hit wonders. That's what they all call us.